Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make king prawn karai masala from scratch. A fantastically flavoured, spicy Indian dish. As always, a full list of the ingredients for this dish can be found in the description below. Before I begin, please take a second to subscribe, like the video and click that notification bell. Thanks. To begin, add the oil to the pan on a medium heat and add in the chopped onions. Stir frequently until beginning to soften and gently brown. Don't rush this, as you want them to caramelise slightly, not burn. Now add the garlic and ginger paste, stir in and allow to fry out for around 30 seconds until the strong smell reduces. Stir through the watered down tomato paste and fry for around 30 seconds to a minute to remove the bitterness. Sprinkle in the cumin, garam masala, chili, salt, paprika, turmeric, black pepper, sugar and coriander powder. Add a little water if required and stir in well. It's fine to add water to keep things moving at any time. Allow to fry gently for around 2 to 3 minutes. If you don't cook the spices out enough at this stage, you can end up with grainy curries. Add in half of the water, stir through and allow it to reduce by half before adding in the rest and stirring through again. Add the prawns now, along with the fresh chopped coriander and chilies, and mix in well to coat. Ensure everything is well covered in the sauce. Turn the heat up high and allow the sauce to reduce to the thickness you require and until your protein is cooked through. Serve with a sprinkle of fresh coriander and a slice of lemon. Please remember to like and subscribe and check out this and other recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.